Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to design a t-shirt to sell on POD platforms like Amazon, Merch, Redbubble or Etsy using Canva. In my opinion, Canva is the cheapest and the easiest website to use and create design. Especially if you are a beginner, you don't want to be, burning your money by subscribing to so many websites and software that you might not need. And I think that just by only using Canva, you can be making money from like a $500 to $1,000 a month. I can guarantee that you can making that by using Canva. Okay, I don't want to waste your time anymore. Let's get into it. Okay, today we will be working on this niche. We're gonna head over to Canva. So first, when you go to Canva website. So this is for somebody who never used Canva before. You click into create a design and click custom size. So I always change this to pixel. Pick 4500 by 5400 pixel. This is a perfect size for t-shirt or print on demand. Okay, before I start designing, I want to always change this background to black because most of the time people like to buy their design in black t-shirt. And you go into element, you're gonna search for beer. You're gonna click right here, see all. Okay, this hat, beer can, American flag, and this short. Okay, I'm gonna find a beer. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Okay, now try short. Okay, this is really nice as well. We'll do this. Another one without alarm in that. That is nice. Maybe turn it sideways a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna try to type here. Don't worry, you're gonna change this font to white so you can see better right here. Okay, I'm gonna try to find a good font. So I recommend only use 2 to 3 style of font in one design. Don't use more than that. If you use more than 2 to 3 fonts, it can get really messy, and from my experience, it's harder to sell anyway. So you don't need too many fonts. Okay, don't worry, this can be smaller. 200 should be enough. I have had both. Okay, now let's try a different font for this. Nope. Yeah, sometimes this just go really good with like a simple stuff. I had both my short and booster. Is that right? Both my short and booster. Okay. Okay. Now let's make this look nicer. See, I think it's pretty decent. Okay, I'm gonna try to find an USA flag. See what can I put behind this, or maybe retro flags. You can always change the color as well, right? You don't want to make it bigger than the frame, otherwise when it print out, it's not gonna look good. Okay, I'm gonna try this. this is a good place to start. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with my design. So once you are happy with it, you can name this. I'm gonna name it booster. So you're gonna click download and then make sure you click this, the type of file to PNG and transparent background. This is very important. If you do not click right here, you're gonna have the black background with you. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one first. Okay, do it again. Transparent background, click download. So in order to get the transparent background, you need to become you need to have a Canva Pro subscription. So I have the link in the description. If you use my link, you can use Canva Pro free for 1 month. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna head over to Amazon and then we're gonna see what it looked like on the t-shirt. When I upload design on Amazon, I always pick one for now. In case if I get rejected, it's only one t-shirt that got rejected, not all my t-shirt. Okay, so now pick the color. So I recommend only pick a few color, don't pick too many. Sometimes you give customer too many options, they end up not picking anything. So I gonna only pick this one, this one does not look really good. Okay, I only gonna pick 3 color. So see, I think it's pretty good. I think Canva is really good for beginner. So you can start using this software because it's actually really cheap. And once you get better at it and you want to, improve your designing skill, you can move on to using Illustrator and then combine with the graphic software and stuff like that. So let me know if you like this video or if you find it bring value to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to learn in the next video, and I will make video to help you make money online. We'll see you next video.